A good number of customers reach out to us to discuss penetration testing. Yet, when discussing their specific needs, we find they are really looking for a vulnerability assessment. To help differentiate the two, here's an analogy. In both, we'll impersonate a malicious actor trying to gain access to your network. Think about a vulnerability assessment like this bad actor surveying your home from the outside. He checks to see what windows might be open, what doors may be unlocked. He doesn't go through any of the openings, though. He just makes note of what weaknesses exist. On the other hand, a penetration test is akin to the same bad actor climbing through one of the open windows, and once inside is free to explore potential paths to your valuables. He may find these valuables to be laid out on the table for grabs, or locked up securely in a safe with no accessibility. Either way, a vulnerability assessment would only tell you about the open window in the outer layer of security, while a penetration test would look further into that discovered issue and confirm the actual risk to your valuables. Still have questions? Let us know how we can help.